All right, this is your quick how to do a peer review video. So we are here in task one, just getting our documents set up. You are going to be in your response group while you're watching this video so that you can decide on who's partnering with who. So one option would be that you're screen sharing this video and sharing the audio, or that you're watching it on your own. Here's what you want to do is first thing, once you've decided within your response group who's reviewing whose essay, you're going to share your essay with your partner. So let's say this is my essay. It is not, but let's say that it is. I'm going to go to the blue share button, and I'll show you that one more time because I did that kind of fast right here. Then I'm going to type in the name of the person who I'm sharing with. So let's say I'm sharing it with my friend Ying, who teaches 7th grade. And I do want to make them an editor because they're going to do some highlighting in my essay. But obviously, the understanding is that we are not altering the person's essay in any major way. We are just highlighting to point out to them some components of their essay. So click editor and then send. I'm going to cancel because I'm not sending this to her. So you first share your essay, and then second step in the peer review to be ready, or third step, I guess rather, is to share your peer review document. So this document is where you're going to be writing your feedback for the other person's essay. So it's important that you write your name here, the name of the person that you're reviewing, and then you share this with your same partner. Okay, so same person who's going to be reading your essay, you're reading theirs, so they need access to this document. So once again, type in the same person, they can be an editor of this document, that's fine, and then I send it to them, okay? So as the peer reviewer, you will be ready to begin once you have your partner's essay open. So where you find that is you go to your Google Drive, click on this triangle, wherever you find it, or you might search for it, and then you go to Shared with Me. And the document should be towards the top because the most recent document shared is the one on top usually. So you're opening their essay, reading their essay, and then you're following the steps in this peer review document. So first step, since we're focused on best evidence and strong reasoning, is to highlight those components in their essay. Evidence in green, reasoning in blue. Leave them a comment if their reasoning is strong. You can just write great, looks great, or if it can be improved. So remember that strong reasoning needs all three of these components. Explains the evidence in new, connects back to the theme or the claim, and then says why this matters, either to the reader or to the world. So those must be in your reasoning. Okay, so that's super duper important. Also for evidence, it should be direct evidence. If they don't have a direct quote, please leave them a comment that says get a direct quote. And I will write that in the instructions as well. Okay, step 2 is to just fill out, just like you did for your self-assessment, this rubric for your peers. So highlight again where you think they belong as far as the score, and then 2-sentence reasoning why, or justification why. So if you don't see all of the things in the 3 category, then you need to give them a 2 and say the reason why is that perhaps you're missing something from the 3 category. Maybe you're missing a unique claim, or you're missing a bridge. Okay, so make sure you say specifically what they're missing. If they didn't get a 3, or if they did get a 3, you can include the example. Like, I give you a 3 because I loved your unique claim, and quote it in your reasoning. Okay, so otherwise that's entirely the same as yesterday. Step 3 is just a final checklist. So do they have correct citations? Put an X if they did it. If it's missing, highlight it so that they know. So if they didn't have correct citations, I would go up here to highlight color, which is the one that looks like a brush, and I would click yellow. Okay, do they have proper nouns capitalized? Do they have proper punctuation? Is the essay in 12 font? And then last but not least, write them a compliment, something you loved about their essay. And before you leave your response groups, I'll send out a message that says time to chat. And what you want to do is tell them about the feedback you gave them. So verbally explain what you loved, start with this, and then something to improve. Alrighty, I hope you find these useful. Thank you so much. Bye.